Here at the University of Luxembourg, our Centre S&T plays a special role when it comes to European projects. We have a special mission in participating in the European projects, but also in the European Space Agency programme. It's also important for us to participate because it shows that we can be competitive on a European scale. The competition here nationally is limited, so it's important that we benchmark ourselves against the best European researchers, and participation in European projects is one of the best ways. We also believe European projects are very important to increase the visibility of research in Luxembourg. The government is investing in research and it's expanding in Luxembourg, and we have to make researchers in Europe aware of this. And participating in European projects is a very good way of creating visibility for our research activity here in Luxembourg.
The benefits to participate in European framework programs are multiple for us. We've got several partners who want to work with us, or we want to work with several partners, and building a tire requires different steps. So we want sometimes to onboard new technology to create the tire for tomorrow, and in this case we need different steps, so different kind of partners, so a multiple consortium. In this case, participating to such program allows us to build such consortium. It allows us as well to deal with our partners in a real win-win situation, and having true collaboration with public bodies or other non-competitive industry, because for us it's quite important to, let's say, to share our knowledge with the partners, but not to give the knowledge to competitors. That's very important for us to build some consortium and some partnership in this way.
The LCSB engages in systems biomedicine. This kind of complex research cannot be done on its own. So we really rely on other partners to complement our own research and be able to really tackle the challenge of understanding health and disease. As such, it's impossible if you really stay within your own country. In Luxembourg, it might be even rather obvious as a smaller country that you need to cross the borders. But if you look at our bigger neighbours, France or Germany, they also engage heavily in these European programs, as you can see from the figures. And for us in Luxembourg, it's just obvious we see ourselves as Europeans and not as a national country confined to its research. We really want to go out and cross the borders for common research in Europe.
We are active in the bioenergy sector. Luxembourg is a geographically a limited market, therefore we have to go to the greater region, also to the European Union, in order to develop new products and also to promote our new service and product lines. Normally we look via the national contact points, meaning here in Luxembourg via Luxinnovation we are looking for partners. For our research projects we are looking mainly for research centers and universities, as well as technology providers in our bioenergy field.
Delphi is a very active company in Luxembourg. It's a big multinational company and we are very active in R&D national programs, and we wanted to have a, let's say, the latest version of the European ongoing programs.
I think the main benefit is networking. We are ground-founded by the Rhineland-Palatinate, and so we have to find foundings, European foundings, international foundings, national foundings, and as well as industrial contact partners. So we hope to find some interesting partners
The European dimension is part of the development strategy of CEPS instead, my research center. So, being involved in European founded projects is included in the set of performance indicators that the center has to satisfy. Moreover, as a CEPS instead research unit, the European dimension is important for us to improve the visibility and dissemination of our work.
Our primary interest is we're interested in projects in energy and materials because we're a system supplier for energy storage systems, and we're already active in some FP7 projects, and we came here to find out to get more information about what the future calls in FP7 will be.
It's also important to have an idea of the roadmaps or the pathway that we have to follow for having a successful proposal, finding the right partners, targeting the right funding scheme, and also a view on the procedures that the European Commission has and how to address them, how to address some key issues, and what help we can have from our national contact point and even other sources of help like consultants or partners.